Welcome to today's car review. Today we're diving into the 2025 Jaguar E-Type 1961, a stunning tribute to one of the most iconic cars ever made, wrapped in a gorgeous red finish. This modern rendition of the legendary E-Type captures the spirit of the classic while integrating contemporary technology and performance. Let's start by talking about the exterior. At first glance, the E-Type instantly grabs your attention with its sleek, sculpted lines and long, curvaceous hood. The aggressive yet elegant proportions give it a timeless design that's as breathtaking today as it was when the original debuted in 1961. The bold red paint shines under the sun, giving the car a sense of motion even when it's standing still. The headlights, now more refined, still pay homage to the original design, while the overall shape maintains that perfect blend of grace and power. It's the kind of car you can't help but stare at, no matter where it's parked. Inside, the cabin stays true to the spirit of the original, but with modern touches. As soon as you open the door, you're welcomed by a combination of plush leather seats and a classic wooden steering wheel. The craftsmanship is impeccable. Everything is thoughtfully designed with the driver in mind. The dashboard has been modernized with intuitive digital displays, blending the past and present seamlessly. You still get that vintage feel with the classic toggle switches and analog dials, but now you also have tech like climate control, a premium sound system, and a touchscreen for infotainment. The interior gives you the best of both worlds, comfort and sophistication mixed with vintage charm. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 E-Type houses a powerful engine that's far beyond what the original could have ever dreamed of. With a turbocharged six-cylinder engine and all-wheel drive, the E-Type now delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The car can easily go from 0 to 60 mph in just a few seconds, providing the kind of speed and acceleration that rivals some of today's best sports cars. But it's not just about straight-line performance. The E-Type handles corners and sharp turns like a dream, thanks to its advanced suspension system and improved chassis, making every drive a thrill. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking it to winding roads, the car responds with agility and precision. Finally, the price. The 2025 Jaguar E-Type 1961, being a modern reinterpretation of a classic, comes with a premium price tag. You're looking at a starting price of around $120,000. It's certainly not an affordable car for everyone, but for those who are passionate about performance, luxury, and design, it's well worth the investment. Considering its combination of history, technology, and unmatched driving experience, this car represents both a piece of automotive history and a glimpse into the future. To wrap it up, the 2025 Jaguar E-Type 1961 in red is a breathtaking masterpiece that blends timeless design with cutting-edge technology. It's a celebration of the past, brought to life with the performance and luxury of today. If you've been dreaming of owning an iconic car with modern sensibilities, this is a dream come true. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about this amazing machine in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews.